What is up, YouTube? Check this thing out. This is a real GTS NVIDIA 450, 1 gigabyte. I had to modify it. This is my mate's computer. It's a custom modified HP basic home tower. It's got 10 gigs of RAM in it. AMD B95 quad core. DDR3 with the newly editioned GTS 450. Had to modify the shroud housing on that little bastard. Wouldn't fit and clear the huge CPU cooler block. So far, so good. Here's my wiring job. Use some wire caps on that. Didn't want to solder on the heavy load side. We got the pins. Hopefully hold up pretty well. I got them spaced off in case anything happens. Gauge wise, I have it split off 2 on a Y and then 2 on a Y on the ground. So I got 2 onto 1, 2 onto 1. You follow the leads and the reds and blacks to the wire caps. Tied right into the motherboard's power on the output rail. This power supply here. 12.1 volt main, that's 16 amps, which is what it's tied into. It's 320 watts total output power. Coming along nice for what it is, especially for a, $45 gaming PC. System itself was found in the trash. RAM was added, processor was upgraded, graphics card was added. That's about it, honestly. Hope you guys enjoyed.